Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Mahalakshmi. Under the guidance of Professor Bharat Nayak, I'm here to present the subject seminar on solar chimney technology. So, first part is the introduction part. Many developing countries cannot afford conventional energy sources, and there should be some alternative energy sources which can have an important role to play in the production of electricity. However, only the solar energy represents totally non-polluting energy resource that can be utilized economically to supply man's energy needs for all time. What is solar chimney? The solar chimney is also called as thermal chimney or also called as solar updraft tower, which is a renewable energy power plant for generating electricity from solar power. The main function of the solar chimney is to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Solar chimney are like an inverted funnel with a wide skirt to collect air and then turn a turbine in the tower. So the principle of the operation, so it consists of collector, tower and the turbines. The solar updraft tower is a design concept for a renewable energy power plant for generating electricity from low temperature solar heat. Sunshine heats the air beneath a very wide greenhouse like roofed collector structure surrounding the natural base of a very tall chimney tower. The resulting convection causes a hot air updraft in the tower by the chimney effect. This airflow drives the wind turbine placed in the chimney updraft or around the chimney base to produce electricity. So there are four parts of the solar chimney: collector, chimney or a tower, and a turbine, and energy storage in the collector. So first is the collector. Hot air for the solar tower is produced by greenhouse effect. Collector consisting of a glass or a plastic glazing stretched horizontally several meters above the ground. The height of the glazing increases adjacent to the tower base so that the air is diverted to vertical movement with minimum friction loss. This glazing admits the solar radiation component and retains long wave re-radiation from the heated ground. Thus, the ground under the roof heats up and transfers its heat to the air flowing radially above it from the outside to the tower. Next is the chimney or the tower. It acts as a thermal engine. Since the friction loss is minimum in the chimney, it acts like a pressure tube, and the efficiency is directly proportional to the ratio between the height of the chimney and the outside temperature. And next is the turbine. The turbines are used to convert kinetic energy of air into the mechanical energy. Turbines are placed horizontally in the chimney and vertically in the collector. In order to obtain maximum energy from the warmed air, turbines blades should cover all the cross-sectional areas of the chimney. To do this, one big turbine or a few small turbines should be used in the chimney. And next is the energy storage in the collector. Since collector produce hot air by greenhouse effect and to produce electricity during the night, the tight water filled bag tubes are placed under the roof. The water heats up during the daytime and emits its heat at night time. So this is a prototype in the Spain. Its height, the tower height is 194.6 meter, and the diameter of the tower is 10.16 meter, and the diameter of the collector is 244 meter, and the number of turbines used is 1. The output of the plant is 50 kilowatt. So that there are four types of solar chimney. The first one is floating solar chimney, and the model is here. And the second one is solar chimney with sloped collector model, and the third one is solar chimney with mountain hollow model, and the fourth one is solar chimney supported on mountain model. So now the advantages of the solar chimney is it is low operating. It has a low operating cost, and it provides electricity 24 hours a day from a solar energy alone. No fuel and no cooling water is required. The materials are available everywhere in sufficient quantities, reliable and not liable to break down compared with other power plants. No ecologically harm and no consumption of resources. The collector itself functions as a greenhouse and could be used for growing cash crops. Disadvantages: high capital cost, low efficiency compared to the other power plants. The cost of electricity generated is high. The structure itself is massive and requires a lot of engineering expertise and materials to construct. So, here is the conclusion. Solar chimney power station could make important contributions to the energy supplies in Africa, Asia, and Australia because there is a plenty of space and sunlight available there. By little improvement in cost reduction, it can be best alternative. It is very important for the future because our resources are limited except a sun. Thank you.